Welcome. If you're tired of getting random party invites on Roblox and want to take control of your privacy, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable the option for others to add you to a party on the Roblox app for PC, following the latest update. This quick guide will help you enjoy a more private and focused gaming experience without interruptions. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open on your PC. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left of your screen for the More icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal a menu with several options. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your Roblox experience. Here, look for the section labeled Privacy and Content Restrictions. Click on it to access all the privacy controls available to you. Next, find and select Communication. This section manages how you interact with other players on Roblox. Under Communication, you'll see a tab called Party. Click on it to open the party settings. Now you'll notice a section called Group Party. This is where you decide who can add you to group parties. By default, this might be set to friends or everyone. To stop anyone from adding you, simply change this setting to No One. Once you've made this change, your new privacy setting will be saved automatically. That's it. You've now successfully disabled the ability for others to add you to a party on Roblox. No more surprise invites or distractions while you're playing your favorite games. If you ever want to change this setting back, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. Enjoy your gaming, and see you next time.